how to get Marriott login help when sign in isn't working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Marriott Bonvoy app. And now, if you need help signing in, you can see the Need Help Signing In option right there. Just tap on it and then it will show you various options, whether you have forgotten your password, need to activate your account, forgot member number, or forgot email address. Then you can call them, or you can even tap on visit help center, and then www.marriott.com will open up, and it will take you to the Marriott Help Center where you can search for answers about your problem, and you can also see top help articles with various FAQs. So it's as simple as that, and Marriott will always be there to provide you help for signing in. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.